Hi guys, this is a video of surface area of pyramids and cones, pyramids and cones. So just like the other surface area video, we're going to go over the formulas. So a pyramid's formula is big B plus PL and then all divided by 2. Well, not all divided by 2, PL divided by 2. Okay, so here is the formula. So we have B, which we know what this stands for. The big B stands for area of the base. P stands for perimeter of the base, and L stands for the slant height, and then divide by 2. Or L stands for, yeah, the slant height. It's actually the slant height because it's a pyramid, so it's slanting, but it's actually not one of the sides. It's the height of the triangle, okay? I'll show you that in a minute. So let's be area of base. P is perimeter of base. And L is, I'll just say height of triangle. Okay, so let me draw this. Ooh, I'm not a good drawer of a pyramid. We're just gonna try this. I'm gonna keep this food up. Okay, you're fine. She's gotta heat food up. She is fine. 10, 9, and 9. Okay, don't laugh at my drawing. That's a square pyramid. So what we want to do first is find the area of the base. Since it's a square, I'm just going to draw it. We can tell that it's a 9 by 9. Okay, so if you notice, 9 by 9. So we're going to find the perimeter of that base and the area of the base. So the area, just length times width, so 9 times 9, which is 81. Perimeter, if they're all 9, that'd be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, because there's 4 sides, which would be 36. So I have all of that. So I have the B, and I have the perimeter, and I have the P. Now I need to find L. So if I look over here, it says that the height of the triangle is 10. So that's my L, height of the triangle, 10. And then I just plug in everything I know there. So surface area equals big B, the area of the base, which is 81, plus perimeter, 36, times the length, which is 10, and then all divided by 2. So, so here we have everything plugged in. So that's my base, that is my perimeter, that's my height, and then divided by 2 is in the formula already. So when I apply all that, obviously I need to simplify this right here. 36 times 10 divided by 2, and then add it on to 81, because that would be following order of operations. So once I do that, I get 261 meters squared. 261 meters squared, because surface area, again, is in square units. And that's how you find surface area of a pyramid. Now, pyramids aren't always square pyramids. Sometimes there is a triangular pyramid. And now I really don't know how to draw this, but we are going to try. Yeah, it's not gonna be good. Okay. Yeah, not good. I'm just gonna draw this and see. But we're gonna do it. Okay, 12. 12, 12. So it's perimeter area of the base. And then the height of this is 10.38. Okay. And then here, the height of this triangle is 6. Okay, I know I'm going to explain this, but you'll just have to bear with me. So the first thing you're going to do is area of the base. That base is a triangle. It's 12, 12, 12, and then the height is 10.38. So I'm going to redraw that triangle. 12, 12, 12, and then the height is 10.38. So the area of a triangle, remember, is base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. So when I do all that, I get 62.28. 62.28. So I redrew the triangle, base times height divided by 2. So 12 times 10.38 divided by 2, and I get 62.28. Now I'm going to find the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter is just 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is 36. And then L, the slant height of the actual pyramid is the height of the triangles on the sides. And here it's 6. I know it's hard to tell with my drawing, but it's 6. So the slant height is 6. So now I can just plug this into my formula. Big B is 62.28 plus perimeter is 36 times the length is 6 divided by 2. So surface area, I take all of that and I just put it into my formula here. And I'm going to, again, follow PEMDAS, so 36 times 6 divided by 2 first, and then I'll add it on to 62.28. But once I do all that, 170.28 meters squared. So there you go. That is how you find the surface area of a pyramid, triangular pyramid. Okay, now let's find the surface area of a cone. So again, we'll go over the formula. So surface area of a cone is SA equals pi r squared plus pi RL. Okay, and again, we're dealing with pi because a cone has a circle for the top part. So let's do a example of that. We're just going to take a cone and then we're just going to plug in everything. I can draw cones. And then 10. So here's my cone. If you notice, it has a radius of 3 and then a slant height of 10. So in the cone, that is what L is. Okay, so we're going to plug in everything. So we have surface area equals pi r squared, so 3 squared. If we were given the diameter, we would do the same thing. We would divide it by 2 because we know the radius is half the diameter. Pi times r times L, which is 10. And I am going to keep it in terms of pi first, which means I'm not going to multiply by 3.14 yet. But I'm going to follow my order of operations. So 3 squared is 9. So that'd be 9 pi plus 3 times 10 is 30. So that'd be plus 30 pi. And then I am going to combine these because, again, your teacher might want you to keep it in terms of pi. And since they both have a pi, we can actually add them. So 9 plus 30 is 30 pi. But if your teacher doesn't want to keep you in terms of pi, so the answer in terms of pi is 30 pi. But if your teacher wants you to find the decimal answer, then all you have to do is multiply 30 by 3.14. And then you get 122.46 centimeters squared. Okay, so surface area. So that is how you find the surface area of a cone. Thank you for joining this, and hopefully you know how to do surface area of a cone and pyramid now. Thank you.